we're back. Oh, what a story. So apparently UPS trucks be running until 9:45 p.m. So I was pretty damn sure my package was stolen by UPS because that's what they do when they see something they like. But it ended up coming and being here, and surprised and glad to see it. Been waiting for this drop for quite a while. I saw those pics post 8 months ago, and man, it finally dropped. Hey, let's check them out. I already know I'm gonna throw white laces right in them, but let's check them out. Well, let's check out the box first. I don't know if y'all can see the imprint that much. See that design? See that design? They give you a little hint. Oh, look at that, look at that. See that 20? That's the 20th anniversary of CLOT. Yeah. You might see little Fragment logos in there too. You know why? Because this is the CLOT Fragment Dunk Low collab. I just gave it away without even showing you yet. But hey, look at that. Look at that. A little detail on the wrapping paper. Hey, okay. Okay, mate. Ooh-wee, buddy. Ooh-wee, buddy. Ooh. Nice. I don't know why they threw blue laces up in here. Why don't you just give me some whites? Or do white and blue if you want, but... Ooh, yes, sir. Your boy's a fan. Big fan. CLOT collabs. They got an underprint on here too. You rip this off. You got the white leather under. Won't be doing it. Badass as is. Dude, look at them bottoms. What? Cloudy. Coat cloudy. Whipping the work. Whew. Buddy. Throwing white laces right in these bad boys, though. They're going to be hot. But, man, look at this. What we got? CLOT, Fragment, Dunk Low collab in this coat. Shiny white cloth, silky Asian material, boy. Whew. That's hot. 20th anniversary, baby. Let's bring them in for the inside. What we got? We got Nike on this one. You got your Fragment logo on that one. And the CLOT 20th anniversary. Boy. Hot fire. Oh, wait. Oh. The inside is not even CLOT, bro. That's leather. That's leather weather. All in the inner liner. And even the bottom is a nice little, yeah, that's not cloth. That's, ooh. Yes, sir, buddy. Yes, sir. Quality details. You know how the Asians do, baby. Salute to my yellow brothers. I don't know if you can say that in 2013. But if you don't like it, click off, pussy. Fit check. Check. Now for some white laces. And we going to town, buddy. We going to town. It's not even terrible with the black laces in there, you know? It's kind of different, unique, vibe-ish. I'm going to throw the whites in there. We should have plenty of laces. All kinds of colors. White, cream, beige, yellow, everything. I'll find something that works, even if it's not pure white. May do a cream, I don't know. We'll see. Black laces, white laces. Now I'm kind of thinking about white laces, white SB laces, to compare to the flat white laces. Decisions. 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 What y'all think? Okay, buddy. We found the money shot. The fat SB laces. Way better than the flat white. Look at that. Flat white. SB white laces. Yeah. Yeah. It's crazy, that little difference. Both white laces, but boy, them SB ones though, they just whoa. Yes, sir. All right, let's do them up. All right. CLOT Fragment Dunk Lows with the white SB laces is the combo. Damn, that's money, baby. That's money. Church. What an amazing collab with CLOT and Fragment on the Dunk Low with these cloudy, translucent outsoles, man. Absolutely killer. Throw them white SB laces in them. You got heat on deck. Great quality. All this silk stuff, just awesome. CLOT Fragment, awesome. Just had some extra white SB laces laying around. Did my thing. 20th anniversary of CLOT. Nike logo. All leather or leather-like. Lining on the inside. And bruh, this insole, this mug feels like a Dr. Scholl's foot pad, man. Yeah, these insoles are crazy comfortable. Yeah, very nice. You can definitely walk around in these for quite a while. Yeah, man. This is a top-notch dunk right here. I expect nothing less from this type of collab, though. Details. The details. Sick with it. Carmi Life Kicks, y'all know the vibe. CLOT collab. CLOT collab. CLOT collab.